All right, so I took a look at things, and I think this is an easy fix, but I do have a couple questions that were raised from looking at the flow that Anthony Puglisi came in through. So only one he went through that would you would maybe not want an existing member to go through was this one: Facebook lead form submitted, text plus email. So the thing that's odd about this is when I go in, the trigger is contact created. So everyone's going to go through this. It's not just Facebook lead forms submitted. I noticed you had a different workflow for Facebook lead forms, which had the correct trigger of Facebook lead form being submitted. So I don't know if you want to update that. But in any case, like I said in a previous video response, what you need to do is make sure you've got a conditional at the beginning to filter out existing members. So, which I had previously added to all the MB Sync related workflows, but this is one of your own workflows. So I added this here. So it's basically if it's not a member, and this is the rule, MB client type gets set by the integration. It's either prospect or member. So I'm saying if it does not contain member, then you can continue. That would have kept Anthony out of this, where right now there's really nothing to keep any contact that gets created. And remember, even if they get imported from MindBody or a contact gets added in MindBody, eventually it'll get added into high level through the integration and it will trigger this contact created. So you may want to rethink this trigger. Just to show you for context, I added that same sort of logic into all these MB Sync, well, all the relevant MB Sync workflows. So same deal here. If not an existing member, and some of these ones that you turned off because of the problem, you could probably start turning back on. Just make sure you've got a similar rule in there. I, like I said, I think I added it. I don't know. So here's what you had originally. If contact type is not customer, and we're not really using that anymore, we do have a rule that sets it. So it's probably going to work, but I prefer to just go right to the source. I use does not contain because on the day they become a member, it's called new member. So if you say does not contain member, it'll capture brand new members and existing members as well. So just be aware of this conditional. If you want to filter out members on any rule you're concerned that members might trigger, then just add that if at the very beginning and you should be good. But I won't turn anything on. You can review and turn on